Upgrade your Volvo with the EBILAEN wireless full-screen CarPlay and Android Auto module from AliExpress. This advanced system supports both wired and wireless connections, giving you seamless access to navigation, music, calls, and apps directly on your car's display. Enjoy full-screen CarPlay and Android Auto for a modern, intuitive driving experience. The module also supports HiCar, online maps, and original camera integration for added convenience. Connect your smartphone easily and stream audio through your car's original Bluetooth system for superior sound quality. With built-in support for APK apps, you can customize your setup for maximum functionality. Please note, Android Auto full-screen mode works at a slightly lower resolution than CarPlay due to system limitations, and Google Voice Assistant may not be supported. Manual day and night mode is available for Android Auto. This module does not support mirror link or USB flash playback. Upgrade your Volvo today with the EBILAEN CarPlay and Android Auto module from AliExpress. Order now and enjoy wireless connectivity, smart features, and a safer, more enjoyable drive.